not watery, so then you can definitely create this really easy French. So now a lot of your clients either like to be like half, which means 50-50, like half the nails will be is a French smile line, and then some of your clients will like really thin skinny French, or a lot of you have a clients that love the French, a lot of French, like, so then they can have is like a thicker French, especially for the longer nails. So we're gonna do is like the average one. So I'm gonna do, I give it a quick dot. You see, it's really easy for beginners or for a lot of nail lover, so that way you can able to get it down. So I'm gonna do it's like 1, 2, like there are thousands of different way to do French. If you are practice on some certain techniques, do it as well, and then find out which one is work the best for you. Time to time I was practice several different techniques, and I just find this one is one of really easiest way for you to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of the measure it's like on the sides. I'm gonna do it from one side and keep your bristle like flat, and do the same thing with the other side. And I'm gonna do it just like straight right here as the middle. So now it's really depends. A lot of you like have a clients love a deep smile line. This will help so much if you are doing deep smile lines or like a good shape of smile line. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in, and this will give you a little bit of outline for the French looks. Let me quick share. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Today's gonna be really quick, simple, and easy. And let me know if you want, after we're done with this and you want to see just like one nails or 2 nail crystal. It's gonna be so cute, simple, and easy. I love to do everything with like basic, but it's also is not simple. Basic is not necessarily simple, but this one like really quick and simple design. So now when you are happy with the smile line, you can definitely still like perfect it as you are feeling your like the rest of the nails.
And just a quick reminder, every product you see and see used is available on our website at glitzsuccessionsuch.com.
You know what, be honest that with you, when I was doing your clients nails for years to come, I don't like French at all. Not because I don't like the look of it, I love the look of French, but I'm always struggling with the techniques that I couldn't get the French looks down. And either my smile line is just so look like what it look like, it not crisp. So what is it, what is opposite of the crisp look?
Is it messy?
It's not messy, not defined,
Not sharp.
not sharp. Okay, well, but then it's always being is challenging for me since I'm working with the gel painting. Glitz have a first of all gel painting in the pot is really good as well. It's like really pigmented, and then we're using it with first is twin tip brush, and then the twin tip brush line is cool and it's shorter. It's great as well. However, the line of the bristle from gel painting is a little bit like a double side. You can see that it double side, so it does a little bit longer the bristle is, the better and less shaky when you're doing yours French or the line or anything like more in the detail intricate. And then also, if you are having the gel painting in the pot, you can also using number 4. You see me using a lot of number 4. And the single brush is okay. I'm gonna grab the number 4 later. Don't worry about it. So now we're gonna just need 1 coat. If you are going to do just the French only, don't do any sugaring, definitely you can key it for 30 seconds, flash key, and then apply the second coat. And then you are like key it again, top coat, and you're good to go, whether you are using with shiny top coat finishing or the matte top coat. And then I'm go ahead and so now I'm just using this one, which is the white color. However, which is we have the white sugaring to match with, which is I have this nails with the white sugaring. However, you see that gel painting with precision brush had yellow as well, so perfect match with this. So either way it works as well. So if you don't have a color of gel painting with precision brush in yellow, you can definitely use gel painting with precision brush white and then sprinkle of any color of sugarings you want to have on it. Is still definitely it turned out beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep 1 tray underneath of the nails of client's nail or the swatch, or even if you are doing for your nails, you can definitely hold it like this. Your thumb holding your tray, and then your index will right be on the top of the tray. Or if you are doing any other fingers, your thumb's always underneath to hold the tray. Or if you feel like you're not feel comfortable enough, you can just put your tray right on the station and then do that. Same thing with the clients. If you feel like you don't want to do so much going on, you can just put the trays and then hold the client's nails right here and just like all the way closer to the trays and sprinkle it in. Either way it works. It doesn't have to be like, oh my gosh, it's on the way up here and it's hard for me to hold the tray and the nails at the same time. There's a different way you can definitely hold it. Just put the tray down on the station and really gently, slowly sprinkle your sugaring. Just don't put, if you put the tray here, then put your client's nails closer to the trays, not like maybe 6 inch apart. It might be too far. Your sugaring might be like, you know, flash everywhere. So make sure you are holding it either way. Like, let me go and down this. Can you see it? Can you see if I put it down, just in case you're holding the clients? And you can definitely just put the tray right like on the station and sprinkle it in, okay? So now keep in mind, I did matte top coat finish on the top of the beige colors, just for all of you just tuning in. To just either you're doing it the matte or the shiny, because you do not want your glitter sugaring is going to pick up on the tacky layer of the gel polish underneath. Beautiful. So now you see that the sugaring, the yellows give you a hint of like a background in white, and then yellows on the top. If you are doing the yellow gel painting on the underneath, it's gonna give it a more depth of the yellow. But either way, it works so well. So now do not touch anything, do not dust it off because it's still wet. So we are going to key under the LED light for 60 seconds, okay? So now on this tray, I catch all of the excess glitter and pull it back. So then I'll be ready for the next nail if you're doing all 10 nails. So then that way you have it for the next nails. So then now we are going to moving on the second nails. I'm excited about this second nails. I'm going to show you something really cute and simple. I am go ahead and using the same beige color. You can do any colors. Happen that I'm swatching it for you first. Let dust this beauty off using the unicorn and gently dust it off. You see?